Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Ninja Japan. This video provides a step-by-step guide in English on how to make purchases for your NISA 2024 via Rakuten Securities. So a little bit about my profile. For those interested, please have a look. In this video, you'll learn how to make purchases for your NISA account from 2024 and beyond. You'll learn how to navigate and buy mutual funds on the platform, and you'll also learn how to max out your 1.2 million annual Tsumitate quotient or portion limit. For those who need a refresher on what is NISA, check out my previous video below. And for those who are interested on how to open a Rakuten Securities account, please refer to this video. And please watch until the end. So let's get started. So first, go back to Rakuten Securities website again, and you can log in by inputting your ID, password, and click login here. And this screen will pop out, which will be your home page for your Rakuten Securities account. And then the next step is to click on the Toshin Shintaku, which means the mutual fund tab here. You'll be asked to choose what mode. Just pick the beginner's mode. It'll bring you to the top page of your mutual fund tab. This will be your favorite page. So in this top page, there are a few options here. This will mean the funds that you have purchased. This will mean your favorite fund. And this will be the spot purchase, one-off purchase. And then this will be the regular purchase. So this is what you're gonna click on. Once you click on it, this page will pop out, and there's a search bar that you can choose your fund. To clarify, the purpose of this video is to show you how to make purchases on your NISA account. So I'm not going to talk about what type of fund to choose from. So what I'm going to do is to type in the funds that I have been and that I will be buying my own NISA account. So type on it, and Emax Slim is the one I've been buying. So click search here and then choose. So this is the fund that I've been purchasing, Emax Slim all country. So click on it. Make sure that this is the right one. Next step is for you to set your regular purchases here. So once you click this button, there are three sections for you to choose from. So this is NISA Tsumitate portion, and this is NISA growth portion. So here I'm going to show you how to make purchases for your Tsumitate portion. So you click on it, and the first point will ask payment method. So the easiest way is to make payments from your securities account, from your Rakuten Securities account itself, and click on it. They'll ask you which day of the month that you like the payments to be made. I always choose first, and then once you've chosen the date, it'll show you when would be your first purchase date, which will be purchased on the 1st of February. And there's a deadline on when you need to input your money, which is the end of this month. And the next step is to input the amount of your regular purchase. So if you want to make purchases of 100k per month, the maximum quota for the Tsumitate portion is 100k. So this is what I've been maxing out. The third option is to choose whether you want to have your dividends paid out or be reinvested. So reinvested is the better choice because of compound interest. And then the fourth option here is to choose the account. So this part is very important. You will want to choose NISA option over here. So the reason I don't have this option on my Rakuten Securities account is I have created an NISA account through SBI Securities. So one person is not allowed to have a multiple NISA account. That's the reason why it doesn't show NISA here, but I believe it should look something like this. So make sure to choose this NISA instead of the other two. Otherwise, this will become taxable account. So make sure to choose NISA, which is non-taxable account. And then hit this button here. And this is basically the pamphlet for the product. So click on it, and if you don't want to read, you can just confirm here. But I just wanted to show you, if you scroll further down, you can see what are the composition here, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, etc., and the currencies that are made out of this mutual fund. Click the confirm button, click the agree button here, and will be your summary. So make sure that everything is right. And the next step is to input your password and then hit this order button. Congratulations! You have just set up your regular purchase on your NISA account through Rakuten Securities. To confirm, you can click on this button and it will show you your Tsumitate Sette settings, which will look something like this. First of every month, EMAX Extreme all country, 10 万円 per month. This should be NISA. Make sure, again, it is NISA, and this is reinvested for your dividends. And you can always change, the settings by clicking here, Henko, or you can always cancel your order by clicking this Kaijo delete button, cancel button. So that's about it. The last step is for you to make sure you have money on your Rakuten Securities account. So you will need to go back on the top here and click this mutual fund tab, and you'll go back to this favorite page that I mentioned previously. So what you need to do is to make sure that you have money inside your securities account. So right now it's showing 0 yen, so you won't be able to purchase. So you need to make sure that you're nuking. You need to transfer money in, and this is the one that you need to click, and it'll show you the real-time money input, and you can choose the source of payment from which bank. So I'll choose Rakuten Bank for an example, and I'm inputting 1.2 million here because the total amount for a year if I were to purchase 100k per month. And you hit the confirm button. Make sure that your name is correct here and click confirm. So this button will direct you to the bank's page where you can make transfer. That's about it. And once you've made the payment, which in my case, this amount will show 1.2 million, and you're good to go. Done. That was easy, wasn't it? So once you start your NISA journey, you're on a way to unlocking one of the 5 superpowers the rich have mastered, which is the power of increasing. You can check it out in my previous videos. That's it. If you think this video is beneficial, share it to your friends living in Japan. Hit like or subscribe to my channel, or comment for any questions and topics that you'd like me to talk about. Happy learning, happy investing.